in different clothes in a
All noise in shambles. We can spend a lot of time talking about our problems. My philosophy is that talking about problems don't change anything. We all know it. I can spend time talking about Football Kenya Federation, but I'm not going to spend time talking about them because it doesn't do any good. So I'm just going to move over and say Kenya football is in shambles, and I feel like I have the prerequisites that are needed to get us to where we need to be. That's one of the reasons I'm running. I have experience, and I've run football academy, a very successful one. Within the football academy, I know Bobby comes there all the time. I have tournaments that I run, leagues, and so the academy that I run, I build facilities. Bobby has, I don't know if Bobby can get the infrastructure for the facilities there, but the point I'm trying to make is I have the experience. I also have the competence. Competence is very important. I don't think you can underestimate the power of the competence, because competence is what makes people get things done.